How to open links directly in apps instead of browser. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever clicked on a Facebook link only to find it opening in your browser instead of the Facebook app? It's annoying, right? In this video, I'll show you how you can fix this problem in just a few easy steps. First, let's understand why this happens. So, in most of the apps and devices that have a default setting opening in the links in your browser instead of app. So sometimes you have to give permissions or app preference that might not be set correctly. If you're on your Android device, what you want to do is open up your settings first, and from here you just want to head over to the app section, tap on the apps, and find the app that you want to that you're trying to open links with. For example, Facebook. So I'm just gonna go ahead and scroll down and find Facebook. Now here you'll find something like set as default in app, just tap on it. And here you have an option that says open supported links. Make sure that you enable this option, and here you can see all of the supported web address, which if you click will directly open up the app. And in some cases, like Facebook and other apps like it, they have their own settings to manage link handling. So, for example, if you go to Facebook and open up your settings menu, here you will be able to find the links that open externally. So, once you get to your settings, make sure to look for the links open externally or open links in app, something like that. And even if you have done all of this and it's still not working, you will have to ensure the app is installed and log in. Make sure to clear the app's cache and reinstall the app. And that's it. Now your Facebook links or any other links will directly open in app instead of browser. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have more questions, and I'll see you guys on the next one.